Now our next practical is current series feedback. Current series feedback. Current series negative feedback. This is our circuit board. In this circuit board, we have to connect these two supply, positive, positive, negative, negative. This is our input terminal. In this input terminal, we have to connect sine wave with the help of this function generator. These two terminal of the function generator, red to red, black to black. Select the waveform sine wave with the help of this knob. Select the frequency 1 kilohertz and input voltage we have to put. This is our AC voltmeter. Input voltage we have to make 20 millivolt constant. So with the help of this you can measure the you can check this is your 20 millivolt input constant. Now this input voltmeter, it is connected to the output to measure the output voltage. I repeat, this is your function generator. Input voltage is sine wave, frequency is 1 kilohertz. With the help of these two knobs, increase or decrease, this voltmeter connect here and make the input voltage 20 millivolt constant. Now this voltmeter, it is connected now at the output side. Switch on the battery and input signal is sine wave. Input signal is sine wave. Now you have to change the frequency and measure the output. Here at that time these two terminal is connected. When these two terminal is connected, that means this is our without feedback. This is our without feedback. So this is your observation table. So this is your observation table. Change the frequency from 50 Hz to 100 kHz and measure the output without feedback. Right? Measure the output. Whatever the output we are getting, this you have to write down here. Right? So here input voltage is 20 millivolt. Change the frequency and measure the output. The part is without feedback. Now in the second part with feedback, these two terminal open. These two terminal open. Whenever you are changing these two terminal, then the voltage across RA, which is feedback to the input. So in this way, the circuit works as a negative feedback. Now again, you have to keep the input voltage 20 millivolts constant. Change the frequency and measure the output. Change the frequency and measure the output. This second part, that means with feedback, we have to open these two terminal, voltage drop across RE, which is feedback to the input. This is our negative feedback to the input. So we have to change the frequency and measure the output. In this way, the first part without feedback, the second part with feedback, input remains constant, change the frequency and measure the output. Now the calculation is gain. So the gain is equal to VO upon VI. Whatever the output here we are getting divided by 20 millivolt because our input voltage constant 20 millivolt, and find out the gain for the with feedback and gain for the without feedback and draw the graph according to your synopsis. Thank you.